From insight to advancement, how a top 5 medical device manufacturing company utilized data analysis to drive advancement while ensuring stringent security and compliance measures. In the ever-evolving landscape of medical device innovation, staying at the forefront requires not just cutting-edge technology, but also efficient data management. Our story begins with a global medical device giant, spanning multiple sectors: energy, healthcare, and airlines. As their innovations soared, so did the challenges of managing unstructured data sprawl. They had an urgent need to streamline data ownership and enhance data security, especially within their healthcare division. The company faced the daunting task of identifying data ownership, segregating healthcare data, and conducting a comprehensive privacy assessment. Enter Data Dynamics, unified data management platform, a pioneering force in transforming data management. We took up the challenge with gusto, providing a holistic solution to the company's data woes. Our aim was to break down data silos and grant the company unparalleled data visibility, facilitating advanced risk management. Data Dynamics employed cutting-edge metadata analysis, tagging, and data enrichment techniques, eliminating duplicates and unveiling the hidden gems of data ownership. We meticulously re-permitted files based on verticals, ensuring data security was paramount. The company's data underwent a profound transformation as content analytics uncovered files harboring sensitive information, leading to data remediation, file re-permissioning, and access control. With the power of metadata scanning and automated policy-driven capabilities, data migration was seamless and efficient. The results were nothing short of remarkable. The client witnessed the successful migration of 2 petabytes of crucial data, now seamlessly accessible and shareable. Data understanding reached new heights, with actionable intelligence gleaned from over 100 million data files. But perhaps the most crucial aspect, sensitive patient diagnostics and healthcare data, remained fortified with ironclad security and compliance measures. Today, our medical device manufacturing company stands transformed. No longer burdened by data complexities, they're free to channel their energies into driving innovation and making a meaningful impact on healthcare in a secure and governed manner. From insight to advancement, Data Dynamics paved the way for a remarkable transformation, proving that when data meets innovation, possibilities are limitless. Because at the heart of every medical advancement lies the power of well-managed, secure, and visionary data. Discover the power of data with Data Dynamics.